it's your girl Deja E. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am coming to you guys today with a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. So I know I'm a little late and Valentine's Day passed. However, if he ain't take you out on Valentine's Day because you a side chick or whatever, and you went out the next day or you still going out next week or whatever, here go a little inspo look, okay? You ain't right, but I'ma still help you look cute, sis, because you definitely living wrong, but whatever. That's y'all business. I still have a look for you, a bomb look for you right here. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please subscribe down below. So first thing, I'm going to start off with a clean face, and I am going to take my brow pencil from Absolute New York in the shade Smoke, in the color Smoke. So I am going to outline my brows, the natural shape of my eyebrows, and I am going to do the same on the top. I just got my eyebrows started, so I hate them right now, so I kind of have to define my own shape and make them a little fuller. But I do normally like to do hair strokes in the front just to make it a little bit more natural. So I'm going to continue to fill out that brow and make those hair strokes in the front. I'm going to do the same thing with the other brow. Brows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Never forget that. Now I am taking my concealer in the shade NC42 from MAC and my flat brush from Morphe, which is a M410 brush, and I am going to outline my brow with the concealer, just cleaning up any areas where I feel like aren't the neatest, cleaning that up, and I am gonna drag that out on my entire eyelid. And I'm just gonna blend that out with a blending brush from Real Techniques, and then I'm gonna continue to do the same thing on the other brow. Now I'm going to set my eyelids with Lusciousbylynn medium beige setting powder, just so that doesn't crease when I apply my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with my James Charles Morphe palette, using a fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going in with that purple color directly across my crease, just buffing that out, blending that out, and I'm going to pack that color on top. Another brush from BH Cosmetics, I am going to pack on a lighter magenta color directly on top of that purple. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 353 palette, and I'm gonna go in with that strawberry color, and I'm gonna put that directly on top of that pink. Now I'm gonna my Jaclyn small palette. I'm going to use that yellow, and I'm going to put that directly on top of that pink using my fluffy brush from Morphe. This is the M441 brush. Now I am going to take my eyeshadow setting base from P. Louise, which is in the shade 2, and I'm going to carve out that crease from my cut crease using my Morphe brush again, which is the M410 brush. I'm just gonna that out with my Real Techniques blending brush, and now I'm going to go back in with a brighter red color from the same Morphe palette, and I'm going to pack that on in the middle of my lid. Directly across the middle of my lid, I'm going to pack on that color. Now I'm going to take my glitter from AliExpress and my ABH Cosmetics glitter glue, and I'm going to put that directly on top of where I put the red, and then I'm going to pack on that red glitter directly on top of that adhesive. Going back into my James Charles palette, taking that same purple, and I'm just going to add that to the corner, and I'm going to put that in the crease just to deepen, darken the crease. Now I'm going to take that darker burgundy color, and I'm going to put that directly on top of that purple and darken that crease just to add a little bit more dimension. Now I'm taking that pink, and I'm just putting that directly back on top of the purple so we don't lose that color. Also deepening the crease. Now I'm taking my pigment, white gold pigment from JLo Cosmetics, and I'm putting that directly in my tear ducts in the corner of my eye. Taking my BH Party Girl Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, putting that pink directly on top of that white gold pigment just to make that color pop. Now I'm sweeping that yellow back on top in my brow bone just to soften that color up. Now I am taking my Sephora liquid eyeliner, and I am just making a regular wing using my Better Than Sex mascara, favorite mascara by the way, and lashes from my collection Dame by Deja E, which I did put on camera. Now because it's winter time, I like to use a very good moisturizer. I am using my Ocean Repair Cream Moisturizer because I am using a matte foundation, just to make sure that my skin is highly moisturized before I put that foundation on. Using my Lock It foundation from Kat Von D in the color Deep 71, and I'm just going to put dots all over my face so that I don't overuse this product, so that I still have full coverage and I don't waste any excess product. Using my Art to Nature's matte setting spray and pressing that foundation in with my Morphe brush that is M439, pressing that foundation into my skin. Now I'm going to take this I'm going to take my M705 brush from Morphe, and I am going to use excess foundation just to clean up the top of my brows to carve out the top. To do my under eye concealer. I'm very dramatic, so I love a bright under eye. So I'm just going to drag that all across underneath my eyes. The bridge of my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm going to take my M335 brush just to push that concealer into my skin and to blend it out. I'm going to take my foundation brush just to buff out those harsh lines so that everything does blend completely in. Now I'm taking my Lusciousbylynn setting powder and I'm just going to lightly set my face. I love this setting powder because there's no flashback. Gonna dust that away with my powder brush, and now because I told you guys I was extra, I'm taking my Sasha buttercup powder and I am setting my face now to bake. I told you guys your girl was extra, so I am taking my Sasha buttercup powder to set my face with this because I like a bright highlight. Juvias contour stick in the shade Namibia, and I am just going to carve out my jawline. I'm going to buff that out with the Morphe M444 brush. I am going to take my foundation brush and just buff out those harsh lines again because I don't like my contour to come all the way down to my mouth. Just defining that jawline a little bit more because I don't want the setting powder to overshadow my contour that I already did. Now I am taking my matte cream contour palette and I am going to contour my nose. I'm going to use these two colors, mixing them together, and I am going to blend that out and I am going to contour that nose, honey. What surgeon did that? Now I am taking my Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. This is a powder contour and I am just going to set that contour on my jawline just to bring some warmth back to my face. My Juvias palette, Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to mix these two colors and I'm just going to sweep that over my contour, smiling of course, into my cheekbones. I'm just brushing away that excess setting powder. Now I'm going to take my Studio Fix and NC45 powder and I am going to set everywhere where I did not contour and set my face. Now taking my eyeliner that I did get from the beauty supply store, 99 cents, honey, and I am going to do my waterline. Now I'm going to go back in with that magenta color and I am going to add that color underneath my waterline just to smoke that out a bit. Now I am taking this mascara from Wet n Wild because I can't seem to find my Better Than Sex mascara, and I am going to do my lash line, my lower lash line. I'm using two highlighters. I'm going to use my Becca highlighter, and I also am going to use my Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and I am going to use my M44 brush. I am going to use my R31 brush from Morphe just to put my highlighter on. I am taking my favorite NYX lip liner and I am just lining my lips. I don't remember the name, but I am going to put it down in the description below. These are my favorite lipstick, Myth from MAC, and I am just putting that there. That's a matte lipstick. And I am going to top that off with a lip gloss from my collection, Down Made by Deja E, in the shade Wifey. And I am going to put that all over my lips. course, I am going to use my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over my face and give you life, honey. As you can see, Isaiah Slay or whatever. I love this look. This is not how I wear my makeup for Valentine's Day. I did do natural glam because I didn't want too much to be going on because my outfit already had a lot going on. So that's why I just kept it natural, because I wanted to go take pictures at the Downtown Dream Hotel at their rose garden that they have at the bar. Beautiful, very nice, good vibes, good energy. The drinks, ugh, but I got some bomb pictures out of this, so it don't even matter how my experience was. I got some bomb pictures. If you don't believe me, just here, hello. I did get my outfit from Fashion Nova, because when you thick, that Fashion Nova really hit, child, okay? Serving angles, curves, all of that, honey, okay? And then this here, I do have my Babiana on. My homegirl Candy at Candy World Beauty gave me this blunt cut, because, honey, did you call me no stiff bobs? Where? So once again, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe. I have so many great things coming to this channel. Any looks that y'all want to see, don't hesitate to let me know what you guys want to see on this channel, because like I said in my last video, this is the everything channel, so it's only going up from here. It's only going up from here. So thank you guys again for watching this video. Love you guys. Bye.